Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make blooming steamed cake. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2.5 cups of cake flour, 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 3, 3 eggs, 3 teaspoons of SP emulsifier. You can get this on Asian supermarket or you can get it on eBay. This helps to create more volume and makes the cake have a smooth and nice texture. So to begin, we're going to combine the cake flour and the baking powder. Give this a quick mix and then sift this. Now in a bigger bowl, crack in the 3 eggs, add the sugar, the water. The water should be at room temperature. Everything here must be at room temperature. Now add the SP emulsifier. Again, if you can find SP emulsifier, you can skip this out as long as you mix the ingredients properly. Make sure that all the ingredients is at room temperature, or what you can do is put a hot water underneath this bowl, just like a double boiler. That will increase the volume. Now beat this at high speed until it triples in volume, just like this. At this point, we can add the condensed milk, 4 tablespoons. Continue mixing. Now gradually add the flour. The mixer should be at low speed in mixing this. Once you add the flour, you will notice that the mixture will deflate just a little bit. The flour is all in. Once everything is well combined, add the lemon juice. At this point, this is now ready. You can add any food coloring that you like. For me, I'm going to divide this in 3 colors. So one will be white, one will be pink, and one will be green. So the most will be the pink, second is the white, and the least color that we're going to make is the green. Because with the white, we can always color it if we need more colors. So here I'm going to add liquid food coloring red. Add as much as you like until you get the color that you want. Excuse my bowl. I didn't scrape it too well, so I have a little drippings on the side. This one will be green. I will put the pink and the green mixture in a piping bag. So I've got a silicone cupcake mold in here, but you can use cupcake liner. So fill this about 3/4 of the way full. Then add a teaspoon of white butter in the center first. Then using the back of the spoon, just spread the white batter as close as you can get to the edge. And then on top of this, add the green batter. So we almost fill up the entire cupcake mold in here. Make sure that the green covers the entire batter. Use the back of the spoon to fill each gap. And then we're going to steam this in a steamer. Make sure that the steamer is rolling boil for 12 to 15 minutes, or check the middle using a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, then the steamed cake is done. This is what it looks like after steaming. This took about 12 minutes. And then do the next batch. And this is the finished product. This is so yummy and the texture is so good. So I hope you give this a try. You will not be disappointed making this. And just to show you what it looks like inside. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming and watching every week. I do upload every Wednesday, so I hope you do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.